Dirt bike.
Yeah, we going
here's
on, boy.
Maurice on the dirt bike.
Oh, he just standing up on the seal.
He's gonna hop that ramp right there. So yeah.
Look, guys, I'm filming.
All right,
you
hold on, stop.
You film
Watch this.
Watch. Whoa, oh my. Yeah!
Oh! I gotta sit down for this. Woo! This is one handful. Oh my God, you see him? There's Kenny. Hey, we got the dirt bike.
He's a
Oh, he's going. He's going.
Oh,
Oh, that was little.
that was a little jump.
I thought he was gonna stand up and do a jump.
I'm gonna show them this. I want to do this when they see that. When they see that tire coming. So I see the engine of it. Oh! That was the toy shot. Oh! Here it comes. Right here.
All right, come over here on the track. Film.
Here we is.
He did that because he didn't want to run over us. Walk over there.
Wow.
We're probably making him mad. I don't know. But this is pretty cool.
That was awesome, huh? Oh, here you go. Nice tail. YouTube video.
So yeah. Here he comes. He's coming from the other side. Never mind. It's coming from right here. Move for the camera to see this. Yeah, we got them. Hey, come over here. We're gonna see a Yamaha, and we're gonna see a Yamaha dirt bike and a four-wheeler. See, right in there, Yamaha four-wheeler. All right. So yeah, there's Yamaha. There's another dirt bike. We're having fun tonight, riding the dirt bikes.
We're gonna eat barbecue here tonight.
And some hot dogs and all.
Hot dogs!
I did a wheelie in the air.
You did a wheelie in the air!
I hop out over here in the dirt. Get down on the ground. In the dirt. fun tonight.
Yeah, we're going to jump in the pool tonight.
Yep.
Oh, he's running away.
Here he goes, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Bro! That was awesome! Now we're going over here to get a better view. We're gonna get down low.
Here it comes. That last
you hit the brake.
yo, and you're not supposed to hit the brake while you're going. That's a lot of things you're doing, bro. That's a lot of things you're doing, bro. Turn on, Dad.
So yeah, this is it. Get ready. So yeah, get ready for the big show. We're gonna have a show tonight. Are you still filming?
No.
You need to still film.
But my battery died on me.
I'll be like this.
I'd be like this. I'd get all the ladies.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're ready for the big show. You ready? All right.
Backflip.
Here comes the big show. Woo!
There goes the big show.
Is it pretty cool when I like jump up on my seat?
Yes! You did a wheelie in the air earlier.
Oh yeah. I can do that again. It's easy.
Neutral. You're in neutral. Does this thing work? Huh?
Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready for the big show. This right here is it. What would happen if it doesn't have gas?
What do you think happens?
Will we be able to still be the big show? The big show? Do you have gas?
Yeah. Just enough for the big shot.
Oh, you put your butt.
Don't do that. Hey, get your brother.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Let me know.
You were like this.
Let me go fix it.
For the big show. Big show.
Let's go.
Alright, so we're going with the big show. Subscribe, like, comment down below, and yeah, we'll keep on doing these.
Are you ready for the big show?
We're filming this on YouTube.
On YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube.
Okay.
Look, Kenny, get right here.
What? Why?
Put your back tire right there. We don't want you to get hit for the big show.
On my bike.
It ain't even recording me.
It ain't?
Go over somewhere. Like this way? Yeah, right there.
Oh! Look! My mom is thinking about if I can come.
Where?
To go with you, to go somewhere to eat, and go to Target with you. She's thinking about it.
I can hold it for you. I got it. Okay.
Let me know if your hand is tired, okay?
Hold on, get right over there. Here.
Mom! Get Molly and Rocco.
Look, that's the lane. This is a gear, right?
Oh, what? No, that's the blade. This is how to go first, neutral, and reverse.
This is the gear. And this too. What is this?
That's the blade too. This is the gear to make it travel fast.
Come on. Oh, like the bunnies, the 10th
I won't
gear.
do the big show if I would like to.
He has to take a break for the big show, guys.
Yeah. I don't know if my mom lets me or if she will let me.
What?
I'm ready to go
Where?
to the show. My mom's thinking about that I can go with Junior.
To the show?
Yeah.
The show's here right
No.
now.
No.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, this is
No,
the
they
show.
They said they're going out to eat.
I know, that's not a show. Going out to eat ain't a show. He's doing a dirt bike show here.
Oh. Look. Show them what. I can hold that, please. I can hold it. Thank you.
You need gas for the big show.
I see some oil right here.
That's not one. I won't touch that either.
Yes.
I think that's good, Mom. That's all I got.
Mom! Mom, look what?
That's a little bit hot. I got it.
Okay. I know where to put it in.
Nice.
Get ready for the big show.
You too.
John, you can sit on the seat. No, you can sit on the trunk.
That's not a truck.
I mean, the front.
Oh, joke.
There we go for the big show.
Big show.
He's switching gears.
You just worked.
Oh yeah!
Why
I'm
you
here.
said? Why you said? Oh yeah!
Because we're here for the big show. Pretty big show, bro.
Oh! Ah! Ah!
We gotta film better for the big show.
Follow him! Follow him! Ah!
Woo, the big show is good.
Why did you do this? Ooh, you.
Yeah, there's no Jason. I put him all.
Woo-hoo-hoo! This big show's the best. Oh! Oh! The big show's the best. We're gonna get that dirt bike and go fast up that. When we get a dirt bike, oh yeah.
I'm gonna go to your house, try to ride your dirt bike.
I'm gonna go right over there.
I'm gonna go faster than Junior.
And fall and bust your head. You obviously didn't have one, boy. The big show, the big show, the big show, the big show. Go. Go get it. I dare you when he goes by this. Look at this.
I dare you.
Nada. Alright, fine.
I can find the tree. Becky, come. Becky, come. Beckham. Oh, Beckham. You okay, buddy? Yeah, you okay, buddy?
Can you hold this now? You can video it now. Oh, you can.
Oh!
Whoa! Watch this! Oh! He's all the way.
So he go by?
I go by.
So here's the Yamaha. Right here, it's nice blue. Comment down below if you like this one. Or this four-wheeler. You know which one I like? The Yamaha right here. And they're fixing the car.
Jason already showed them that.
I'm just showing them the four-wheeler.
I know, show them that.
Here goes! Here goes! Go, go, run. There's Rocco! There's the other dog. You see? It's right here. Judy said one day when he gets too big for it, Mom, it is all mine. There's Rocco again! Rocco! Oh, the garage is closing. Bye! You just got a subscriber! You got like 2 subscribers, actually 3!
Cool.
I know. I heard 3 like ding 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 ding. I heard like 3 subscribers.
Alright, so yep, guys. I'm gonna end the video. I know. I'm gonna end the video now. Subscribe, like, comment down below, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see y'all guys in the next one.